can remove up to 80% of surface stains in 14 days. So we're just gonna start brushing this every day. So being in Colorado, we get all kinds of road crap that they put down to take care of the snow and the ice. And David's rear applique, that says Tesla, looks awful. It's been either mag chloride, salt, something has been eating at the chrome, but let's be honest, all cars with chrome have this same issue. But today we're gonna play around with and see if we can rescue it. His car's about a year old.
Year and a half.
Year and a half old, okay. And we're gonna see if we can rescue it. Obviously, the best thing to do would be as soon as you take delivery, especially in a place like Colorado where they put down road salts, mag chloride, any of that, would be to just get it ceramic coated. That would protect it. But we didn't do that, so now we're gonna test some things out. Have a few things that we're gonna try out. One is distilled vinegar, 5% acidity.
Then we also have regular isopropyl alcohol, rubbing alcohol.
We got the Coke, because Coke is actually really acidic, believe it or not.
And a smile.
And a smile.
And hydrogen peroxide.
And a just generic cleaner that I bought at a local auto place that says it's for exterior detailing and it works on chrome. So the chrome back there is actually a plastic piece that's chrome dipped. So you want to be careful. You don't want to use anything too abrasive. So we're just going to mix up a few things, put it all back there. We're going to mask it off and see what actually cleans it, if anything. Okay, so here we are at the back of the car. We are going to do isopropyl alcohol, hydrogen peroxide, the Turtle Wax Clean and Shine Total Exterior Detailer, Coca-Cola, and white vinegar. Without further ado, let's test it out.
No, so it cleaned off some stuff, but not all that other stuff.
Like a real love, but it goes so fast. All tied up, like a captive. I'm on to you. Used to pay to my life, standing on rainbows, playing it cool. I haven't felt this in ages, and I know my patience. So won't you please stay a bit longer? You're making me.
I mean, it definitely looks cleaner overall, but there's still those like spots that we need to figure out.
Okay, so none of them did the greatest of jobs. So here is the alcohol. You can definitely see me in there a little better, but you still have all this junk on there. Here we have the hydrogen peroxide. Again, still have all that. This is like the car cleaner that David's looking at right now.
Clean and shine.
It did like the worst. But then here we had the Coke. It did pretty decent. And then the vinegar. Actually, I think the vinegar actually did the best. Okay, next up we're gonna try this 3D white. It whitens, can remove up to 80% of surface stains in 14 days. So we're just gonna start brushing this every day. So here we have an old toothbrush that we just put a little bit of this on. Okay, so we got a little water on it. We're gonna zoom in because we're actually gonna do these spots right there. Yeah. This isn't the weirdest thing I've put on your car, I'll say that.
Oh, yeah.
Ooh, flashback in the iCard. Okay, we're gonna go ahead and wash that off and see how it looks. Okay, so here, now you can see everything. So there's hydrogen peroxide, alcohol, the main cleaner, some toothpaste, which did better than the main cleaner right there. Then we had Coke, and then we had vinegar. I definitely want to say like vinegar looked to do the best, but overall, it's still there. That's kind of like our control. Didn't touch that with anything. So, what do you guys do to clean this? Is that cleanable, or does this whole piece just need to be replaced and just ceramic coated from the beginning? Because I don't know, that looks pretty bad to me. But yeah, I know every other car that I've had has had the same issue, just different chrome parts around the car. So this isn't a Tesla thing, this is more of a, what they put on the roads just really eats up the chrome and just etches it really, really bad. So definitely let me know down in the comment section what you guys do to fix this, or is this something where we just need to buy a new applique and just ceramic coat it from the beginning to avoid this? As always though, if you're looking for a Tesla, definitely check out our website, teslainventory.com. If you're looking for a new or inventory Tesla Model S or X, feel free to use our referral code. It's down in the description below or at the top of our website. Using it will actually get you free unlimited supercharging, which is a great perk. As always though, thumbs up if you enjoyed the video. Go ahead and click here to subscribe, here for some other videos, and we'll see you later. Bye.